Hi everyone, welcome to a new vlog. It's a food vlog. It's been a while. This time I'm sharing with you the best and easiest and healthiest oat recipes I've made so far. Here we go, a must try.
Wasting this time that I borrowed, running too fast for the sun, and my eyes they still burn for tomorrow. When I'll come alive. Like I have done since a child, and my eyes they still burn for tomorrow. It might never come. Wasting this time that I borrowed, running too fast for the sun, and my eyes they still burn for tomorrow. When I'll come alive. I'm keeping up
taste and what she thinks. She's always honest with my cooking. What do you think, Mom?
It's nice, not so sweet. It's enough. Very good for
Approve?
approve.
Yay! Thank you, Mom.
You're
All right,
welcome.
bye. If Mom is happy, I'm happy too. But seriously, these two oat recipes are really delicious and it's easy, no baking, it's vegan, really, really good. Thank you all for watching. I hope you'll try this and let me know in the comment section if you'll try this, if it also approved by you. Be kind, be loving, and be inspired. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.